Avant de regardez la vidéo, likez la vidéo et abonnez-vous à la chaîne.
Since the fall of Geese Howard, the city of Southtown has never been the same. Its people have grown complacent, and once fearsome warriors roam the streets like stray dogs. And though his legacy remains here in my keeping, it does so with no heir apparent. If there are any left in Southtown with fangs that bite, with claws that tear, with the ruthlessness and undying spirit of a true warrior, come to King of Fighters. Who will inherit the legacy of the fallen emperor? Let the last wolves of this city determine that for themselves. Stroheim. As his mother lay dying, his father fled, and so Gato swore revenge. At the last tournament, an unexpected attack at the hands of his father had all but blinded Gato. And yet, it was the pain of defeat that had truly darkened his world. Guided by rage, he pushed his training harder than ever before. Though his sight was failing him, his other senses had sharpened like blades. Fortunately, his vision eventually returned, just in time for the next King of Fighters. Gato knew his father would be unable to resist the tournament, and he would have his revenge. The flames of retribution burn bright as Gato enters the fray.
Game day. Time for the kickoff.
Round one. Get ready. Fight! SPT!
Get lost! Now or never. Look at you! Be gone! Sonia! Push it down! Damn you! Go! Look at you! Push it down! Is that all? Go! Look at you! Be gone! Sonia! Gato wins! Wasting my time.
Round two. Get ready. Fight! SPT!
All world done. Look at you! I do not understand what business such an unskilled fighter could have in a place like this.
Look, I got my own problems. No disrespect, but you don't got a chance.
Round one. Get ready. Fight! SPT! Keep it coming! Hadouken! Punch!
look at you!
Hadouken!
Just look at you! Look at you!
Hadouken!
Hadouken! Look at you!
Wait!
Coward!
Round 2. Get ready. Fight.
That all you got? Hadouken!
Look at you!
Hadouken!
With this, turn to dust! Waste of air.
Keep it coming! Wait!
Tell me, what must I do to finally be met with an opponent worthy of my skill?
Anchors up! Viva the Lillian Knights!
Round 1. Get ready. Fight. SPT.
I'm so...
Look at you! Damn you! Just look at you! Be gone! Just look at you! Just look at you!
Wait.
Wasting my time.
Round 2. Get ready. Fight. SPT.
Look at you! Get lost! Get lost! Good, be gone! Look at you! My hunger! Know this. Here is where it ends!
Now I...
Just look at you! Just look at you!
Gato. Wait.
Those are the skills you're so proud of? Crawl away while you still have some dignity.
Over here! Okay, it's time to clean up the streets.
Round 1. Get ready. Fight. SPT.
Come on!
Just look at you! Look at you! Be gone! Be gone! Wasting my time.
Round 2. Get ready. Fight SPT.
Go! Just look at you! Go! Just look at you! Go! Just look at you!
Come on!
Be gone! Good! Look at you!
Still good! Hot!
Overheat.
Hey, look up!
Good! Good! It's over! With this, return to dust!
Oh, Gato.
Waste of air. That's the best you can do? After all these years? You're beyond pathetic. Disappear.
You're just another cameo in the Legend of Joe!
Round 1. Get ready. Fight SPT.
Not have
Go! Just look at me!
Not done yet!
Go! Just look at you!
Getting warmer.
Good! Go! Just look at me!
Eat this! Eat this!
Good! Be gone! Good! Be gone!
Cool down.
Go! Just look at me! Is that all? Look at you! Wasting my time.
Round 2. Get ready. Fight SPT.
Be gone! Be gone! Look at you!
SPT.
Be gone! With this, return to dust!
Oh, Gato.
Waste of air. I grow weary of this endless stream of weaklings. Get out my sight!
I've been waiting for you, brother.
I already told you that's not right.
That's what I thought you'd say. Look, I know you're not comfortable with the whole family thing, but I can still call you whatever I want to, can't I?
Do as you like. Whatever you call me, our fight remains our fight.
Yeah, about that. I wanted to run something by you. Do you mind?
What is it?
You act all big and tough because you're so confident in your abilities, right? How about you and I put them to the test?
What do you mean?
If I beat you, right here and now, I want you to tell me everything there is to know about you. Why it is you're traveling, what happened between you and Dad. I want to know everything.
Some nerve thinking you ever beat me. Fine. But if I win, you have to swear to never bother me again.
If those are your terms, then I accept. But let me say this. Don't underestimate me. I'm gonna make you wish you thought more highly of me from the beginning.
Enough talk. Show me what you've got.
Round 1. Get ready. Fight as PG.
Look at you!
Just look at you!
Watch me.
Is that all?
Overheat. HOTARU wins. Round 2. Get ready. Fight as PG.
Good, be gone! Look at you! Get lost! And now!
Take that.
Just look at you! Damn you!
PG. Gato wins.
Wasting my time.
Final round. Get ready. Fight as PG.
Watch me. Take that.
Look at you! Good, be gone!
Right punch.
Look at you! Good, be gone! I hunger! Look at you! Good, be gone! Sonia!
Right punch.
Good, be gone!
Look at you. Gato wins.
You follow your own path, just as I follow mine. Someday, you'll understand. This is it. The end of the line for you.
Now, brothers shouldn't fight with their sisters.
It's you, from the previous tournament.
KAIN R.HEINLEIN, the man you almost killed. I'm flattered you remember.
Of course. Time to finish.
Come to repay the debt I owe to the man who saved my life. Your father, Gao.
What?
Go. Dad?
I've heard reports that you are pursuing your father in an attempt to avenge the murder of your mother. It may or may not be my place, but I felt compelled to inform you. You're off the mark. You're chasing the wrong man.
Well then, you sound like you know a thing or two. How about you enlighten me then? Who did kill my mother?
I suppose this was an inevitability. What if I were to tell you that I was the one who did it? That she died by my hand? What happens then, Gato?
Well, that would certainly speed things up, I suppose. Fine. KAIN R.HEINLEIN, prepare to face my vengeance! Murderer!
Round 1. Get ready. Fight! SPT! SPT!
Not quite!
Good! Be gone! Look at you! Good! Be gone! Just look at you!
How about this?
Look at you! Good! Just look at you! Good! Be gone!
You think it's over?
Wins!
Wasting my time.
Round 2. Get ready. Fight! SPT!
Is that all?
Look at you! Good! Get lost! Look at you!
With this,
Return to dust!
waste of air.
Not quite!
Look at you!
Damn you.
Wins!
I have no use for failures.
Final round. Get ready. Fight! SPT! SPT!
You think it's over?
Good! Look at you! Be gone!
Not quite!
Good! And now!
Weakling. I will make you regret surviving our last meeting. Your death will not be painless. I'm not going to ask you again. Did you kill my mother?
Wait. He is an innocent man. I did it. I am the one to blame.
Grant, why did you come here?
KAIN, not every burden is yours to bear. Understand?
You'd better not be lying just to save his skin. This is the last time I'll ask. Did you kill my mother?
Yes. It was me. It was all my fault.
Why? Tell me everything.
It was 7 years ago. Your father, Gao, was an enforcer, working for a group that was in competition with KAIN's. And KAIN, my life's purpose has been to eliminate anything standing in his way. And so, I went to Gao's dojo alone. I was going to assassinate him.
What happened?
Before long, Gao caught wind of my plan. My prey began hunting me in kind. The situation was growing dire, frantic, and I was growing desperate. Suddenly, I saw something, just a shadow, but out of instinct,
But it was my mother, wasn't it?
How could you? She didn't have anything to do with this. You monster!
I have carried this for far too long. I can accept the consequences. Just let Kain go.
Wait. I just need to know. Are you sorry? Do you feel that what you did was wrong?
I do and I don't. I'm a criminal. When all is said and done, it was just another day at work.
You monster! It was all because of you. All of it. If it wasn't for you! Why? You're not my brother, right? This is none of your business!
I am your brother, Hotaru.
Leave him, Hotaru. Any move we make now only hastens the inevitable. Can't you see he's unwell? Sorry to say, he's not